Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for OR. Begin by assessing your syllabus and prioritizing OR types, then set weekly goals with focused sessions, and build active review routines that include spaced repetition and practice problems. Use short, consistent study blocks, mix hands-on OR identification with theory, and track progress weekly. Stay curious, ask peers questions, and adjust techniques based on results. Keep materials organized and celebrate small wins. Start with active techniques that boost retention and understanding. Use flashcards, teach concepts aloud, and practice identifying OR samples in varied settings. Rotate subjects to prevent fatigue and interleave different OR types for stronger recall. Time practice tests and review errors immediately to correct misconceptions. Use visuals, diagrams, and labeled photos to link theory with real samples. Stay hydrated and take brief breaks to keep focus high. Record short summaries after each session to reinforce memories. Quick recommendation: on another note, if you want fresher air on long study drives, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, classic scent. It even masks gym socks and cafeteria leftovers. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more OR study guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up one for your study commute to stay alert and smiling. Now let's get back to the video. Practice regularly with timed drills and realistic sample sets to build speed and accuracy. Review mistakes immediately and create error logs for repeated issues. Use spaced repetition schedules and weekly cumulative reviews to move knowledge into long-term memory. Pair hands-on fieldwork with textbook study to connect concepts. Seek feedback from mentors and peers, and simulate exam conditions when practicing full tests to reduce test anxiety. Celebrate steady improvements, and keep a checklist of mastered topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.